Hi, my name is Immaculate, and today I'm going to be presenting my portfolio page. So, as you can see from the slide, I'm planning to name it Bytes and Bites, and it's going to be a solo project for now, but I'll derive inspiration from different people who also help me through giving constructive criticism, sorry, and feedback, also advice and opinions. So the project is uh, it's a personal blog where I'll be able to blend my passion for cooking and also incorporate my journey as a mom, a wife, and a student. So this is just basically to inspire programmers and women out there that you can actually try and do it all. Be a student, have your passion for cooking, and be a mom, and a wife. You don't have to choose. So here here as mothers, fathers, whoever, will be able to share your favorite recipes and stories about their journeys in motherhood. So this just fosters a community of and connection, allowing users to be able to express themselves. So basically, the website will be able to allow you to post your stories, your recipes, share tips, and yeah. And then this will also be able to not only show my passion for cooking and being a mom and all that, but also show how far I've come by being able to create this website and challenge myself to do it all. The next slide, learning objectives. So here, my main aim is to master the full stack development. So for the front end, I'll be using React. And then the back end, I'll be using Node. And then I'll have MongoDB for storing of the data. My other aim is to implement user authentication and profile management. Then I'll be able to use functionalities like creating, reading, updating, and deleting, because I'm planning to incorporate likes, comments, being able to post your stories, such things. Okay, then also my other objective is to learn how to integrate MongoDB for efficient data storage. That's for storage. Then I'm also planning to gain hands-on experience with social media features like likes, follows, and comments as I had stated earlier. So as I said, technology is used for the front end. I'm going to use the JavaScript and React. Mostly I'm going to use the React, but I'll do a mixture. And then I'm going to use the Node for backend, then the MongoDB for the database. Third-party services, I'll use the image hosting, AWS probably, and for the authentication, the web tokens. So the challenges I've already identified. As of now, is ensuring secure user authentication and data protection. That is a challenge I've already identified. Also, managing time to be able to balance all the responsibilities and also be able to finish my project on time. Also, creating a visually appealing and intuitive user interface because it's supposed to be a catchy website, you know. Then ensuring responsiveness and compatibility across the devices and browsers, that's also a challenge. Optimizing the feed to display posts in real time, that is a huge challenge, but I'll do my best. And then implementing a scalable MongoDB scheme to handle large data sets. And also ensuring that the user interface remains responsive and user friendly. So those are the challenges, a few of the challenges I've identified. Then I have a small flow of how it's going to work. So first, we're going to start with the front end. So the front end is where it's going to interact with the user. So the users interact with the website through the front end, which, as I said, I'm going to be using React. So the home page will allow the users to navigate through different sections, the recipes and the stories, and then the user profile, and where you'll be able to create your posts and post it and update. So the users will be able to perform creating the post, liking and commenting, and probably editing and viewing their profiles. Then under API requests, the users will be able to submit a form. By a form, I mean when you create a recipe, when you like a post, that is clicking a button, the React will trigger an API request to the backend. So this here. Okay, so yeah. So once it does that, we'll be using a HTTP method to retrieve data from the backend. So that you can be able to view your recipes and other profiles. You also use post to be able to create new posts, and use put to be able to update existing content like editing profiles. Then also to delete, to be able to remove any post or any content that you might have posted. Then all this will be stored in the database. So this is going to store the website's data in collections. So under user collections, it's going to contain the username, the email, profile information, and user. So under post collections, it's going to store recipes and the stories alongside with the likes, the comments, and the timestamps. Under the comment collections, it's just going to store comments associated with the posts. Then under interactions, we can either have the post collections or have their own dedicated collections, like that is the likes and the follows. Yeah. So it's basically the CRUD operation. So it's going to be able to create a new post, to create a new document, read when the user visits the home page, the backend reads relevant posts from the database and sends it to the front end, and then update when the user likes a post or follows another user. The data is also updated, and delete if your user deletes a post, then the post is removed from the database. So that's what will be happening in the under the database under MongoDB. So once the request has been fulfilled, it will be saved, then sent back to the front end part. So that's just basically a rough idea of how the website will look like, the flow. Under my schedule of work, I'll first start with the setup and the use authentication, then functionalities, then the social features and the user profiles. Then the last week, I will do the testing and the deployment and the bug fixing if there's any bug noted. So I'll keep updating it as time goes by. This is roughly how the homepage will look like, but I've still not set on the formatting, the color scheme. So you'll have the stories, you'll have recipes, you'll have be able to create and follow, you'll have different aspects. So in conclusion, Bytes and Bites will be a journey marked by challenges, learning and achievements. I'm hoping to create a platform that showcases that anything is possible when you put your mind into it. So be able to showcase both technical skills and personal creativity. And this blog not only serves as a platform to share recipes and stories, but also as a testament to the journey of learning and growth.